Okay, catch up from the last video. Woke up, checked out of our room, had to go to the station here. We live here, pretty easy. No, taxi 1, cancel. Taxi 2, cancel. Taxi 3. Okay, drove to the airport, GTA style. Outside lane, yes. Inside lane, yes. Middle lane, yes. Seatbelts, no. Got the train, went to Ayutthaya. Wanted a tuk-tuk, no. Wanted a motorbike, no. Cycled on the motorway, cycled off the motorway. Went to a temple, went to another temple. Thought it was the same temple.
Isn't that the same?
Saw a giraffe. Oh look, another temple. All caught up? Good. Let's proceed.
We are taking the sleeper train to Chiang Mai from Ayutthaya.
I think there's 40 people per cart, and me and Sheila got, an upper and a lower one. So, I'm curious as to what it's going to be. They say there's going to be air conditioning, but we don't know for sure. And hopefully there's also a charging socket, because in total I think we leave at 9 and then we arrive
at 9.
Also at 9. So perfect 12-hour train trip. So this train cost us 30 euros. We booked it off of One2Go Asia.
One2Go or 12Go?
We've literally just come out of a shower and I was bone dry, and now it's back to sweat time. We've got our bags. We look ridiculous.
And I burnt my shoulder, so it hurts.
Yeah, I didn't. The night train is here.
Oh, it's actually big. It's so cool. It's so weird. Oh, we got a holder for the drinks. That's it.
No sockets. Got a duvet up here. Alright, here's where I'll be sleeping tonight. Pretty cool, I can't lie. Got my own personal air conditioning. Amazing. I don't think it's going to be a problem at all. We're already moving. Oh, nice and smooth. So there's a lady coming up and down with bottles of water and a menu card. Should we get some dinner? No, thank you.
Okay.
Well, there goes that. So this is me and Shul for the rest of the night. We're going to watch some Ring of Power and try out some Mieng Cam Crab roast. And if you don't know what that is, either do we.
Lekker?
Very weird. Kind of nice. Just had a quick run around for the bathroom. Nice quality. Got everything you need. Slightly small, a little bit dirty. Doesn't smell too bad. It's about midnight now, and I'm just chilling. Found out it's a lot smaller than Shul's. Can't move now, but everyone's sleeping. Got my bags just here. Can barely fit my legs, just bent. Just chilling now, just editing the video for Bangkok, and life's pretty good. The lights are on, and I'm assuming they never turn off. Sound of silence. Just pulled the duvet out that they give you from this. Don't think you can really complain with this. We meant to fish it now. That's when I'm going to sleep, so when I wake up, I'm curious as to how much distance we make up. It's 2 a.m. and we're not even halfway there. Still got 7 hours to go. That's itchy as hell. 7 o'clock. It got significantly louder. Currently at Lampang, so not too long left. I think under 2 hours. 8:25 now. Just got a big wake up from the train. Came on. Oh, the bed's pulled away.
Slept quite well. Woke up every hour, but then slept again, so that's fine. And the views were so pretty this morning.
Would you do it again?
Oh, 100%. That's good sleep.
30 euros. Decent sleep. We got 12 hours down the road. Views are pretty insane. What more can you ask for? There was severe floodings, but we were told it's getting better and better by day, but as we're just a couple of minutes from the city centre, it looks really good. Doesn't seem to be any signs of floods. So, oh, there we go. That is it. We have arrived in Chiang Mai. Jill's big ass bag. That's it. We've done it. Until the next time.